Hi, in this video we will learn to write a simple code which gets you the multiplication table of any number of your choice. I will start this code by creating a variable and I will call it number, and this variable is equal to input. Remember that we use the input function whenever we want the user to write his input. So input, and the question would be enter a number to display its multiplication table. And let's move to a new line so that the user write his input there. Then we close the quotation and we close the parenthesis. Now we would have a problem usually because we are dealing with math and the input function usually returns a string. So I want to convert this string to an integer. Okay, we have learned this before. So I need to put here int or integer. Okay, so after creating a variable, now I will use the for loop. So I will write for I in range 0, 11. So it depends to which number you want to display the multiplication table. So if you want to display it from 0 to 10, you need to put the range 0, 11, because when you put it like this, okay, the code will not include the 11. It will include the last integer before 11, which is 10. So for I in range 0, 11, I need to print. What do I need to show? I need to show I, because I will be repeated according to the loop. So the first I would be 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, till it reaches 10. So print I. Now X, I will put it inside quotations because I want it as a string. It represents the multiplication sign. Number, it's the input which the user will put. Equal inside quotations. And at the end, I need to calculate I multiplied by the number. Now let's save and run this code. So as you can see here, it will ask the user to input any number. So let's put 5. And as you can see here, it's printing the multiplication table of 5, and it will stop at 10 because the range is from 0 to 11, excluding the number 11. So that's a very simple code, but it's really powerful. Okay, it can get you any multiplication table of any number that you choose.